Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make laptop display always stay on. So if your laptop display is laptop display is turning off without automatically, then you can simply change it in your settings. So for this you have to click on the start option here, then you have to search for the settings, and after you click on the settings you have to choose the system option from your left hand side. And when you are in the system option, then you have to click on the power and battery, and when you are in the power and battery you have to click on the screen and sleep. Here is all the options that are making your display to turning off. So you have to click on the drop down arrow from here, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom, then you have to select never to make your display always on. Then you have to choose all of the option to never from here. And after that, now your display will always be turned on at any situation, at any time, in if your device is plugged in or plugged not, and if your device is on battery power, or if your device is in charge plugged in. At any situation your display will turned on always. Thank you very much for watching this video.